Good afternoon, students. First, I would like to welcome all of you to this class. Today, I have planned to revise the lesson from page number 7, Know Your Numbers, and also from page number 8 and 9, Word Power. Students, please open page number 7 in your GK book. Page number 7, Know Your Numbers. Know Your Numbers. A. Fill in the right numbers to complete these idioms. The first question, back to square, is 1. Back to square, 1. The second question, to not give dash foods about. 2 foods about. To not give 2 foods about. The third question is to give 3 chairs. To give 3 chairs. The fourth one is take a short break. 5. Take 5 a short break. Take 5 a short break. The fifth question is to be at 6s and 7s. To be at 6s and 7s. The next one, dressed to the dash. Dressed to the 9th. Dressed to the 9th. The last question is a dash dollar question. $1 million question. $1 million question. Okay, students, now come to the B part. Fill in the blanks with the words positive or negative to complete these facts. First one, every integer other than 0 is either dash or negative. See, every integer other than 0 is either positive or negative. Every integer other than 0 is either positive or negative. We come to the second question. The height of a place above sea level is recorded using dash integers. The height of a place above sea level is recorded using positive integers. The height of a place above sea level is recorded using positive integers. Okay, the next third question is we use dash numbers to record temperatures which are colder than 0 degrees Celsius. We use negative numbers to record temperatures which are colder than 0 degree Celsius. Because we come to know the temperatures from cool countries, and very colder places in negative, minus 5 degrees Celsius, minus 4 degrees Celsius, like that. That's why we use negative numbers to record temperatures which are colder than 0 degrees Celsius. The next one. In elevators and lifts, dash numbers, negative numbers indicate stories below the ground floor. In elevators and lifts, negative numbers indicate stories below the ground floor. The fifth question is, in a quiz Dash marking is used to show marks lost for wrong answers. In a quiz, negative marking is used to show marks lost for wrong answers. Okay, next C part, figure it out. First question is, add 8s to get 1000. Add 8 to get 1000. Add 8 8s to get 1000. So what will be the answer? 888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. That's the answer. The second question is, two fathers and two sons had lunch together. They ate exactly 3 sandwiches and each person had a sandwich. Explain how. The grandfather, father and son had 1 sandwich each. Grandfather, father and son had 1 sandwich each. The next question is, use the numbers 6, 6, 9 and 9 in an equation to get 69. So how we can write? 6 into 9 plus 6 plus 9, that is equal to 69. 6 into 9 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 69. Come to the next one. A woman has 7 daughters and each daughter has a brother. How many children does a woman have altogether? A woman has 7 daughters and each daughter has a brother. How many children does the woman have altogether? The answer is 8, because the daughters have the brother in common. The answer is 8. The daughters have the brother in common. So 7 plus 1, there are 8 children. The fifth one is, correct the following equation by moving just the symbols. 101 minus 102 is equal to 1. The answer is 101 is equal to 102 minus 1. So we have to move the symbols only. So 101 is equal to 102 minus 1 is the answer. Okay students, now open page number 8, word power. So A part, unscramble the letters to form words used to name people who have certain qualities. First one who sleepwalks. The answer is somnambulist. The second question, one who looks on the gloomy side of things. Pessimist. One who looks on the gloomy side of things. Pessimist. The next one who looks on the bright side of things. Optimist. One who looks on the bright side of things. That is optimist. The fourth one who scoffs at the beliefs and actions of other people. That is cynic. One who scoffs at the belief and actions of other people. Cynic. The next question is, one who is forced to leave his or her country or home because of war, or for political, religious, or social reasons. That is refugee. One who is forced to leave his or her country or home because of war or for political, religious, or social reasons. Refugee. Refugee. Next one, the sixth one who donates time or money to good causes. Philanthropist. One who donates time or money to good causes. Philanthropist. Question number 7. One who can speak in such a way that the voice seems to be coming from elsewhere. Ventriloquist. Ventriloquist. Question number 8. One who is banished from his or her country. Exile. One who is banished from his or her country. Exile. Question number 9. One who offers service without payment. Volunteer. One who offers service without payment is volunteer. Volunteer. Some people work without salary, without payment, to gather experience in some organizations or somewhere. That is called volunteer. So one who offers service without payment is volunteer. The question number 10. A partner in crime. Accomplice. A partner in crime. Accomplice. Okay, now we are moving to the B part. What's about words? Spot the knot. B. What's about words? Spot the knot. An ambigram is a word that can be turned upside down and still be read as the same word. Which of these words is not an ambigram? See, the answer is man. The second question, a diminutive is a suffix added to a word to mean little, small, or young. In which of these is let not a diminutive? Violet. An acronym is an abbreviation formed from the initial letters of other words and pronounced as a word. Which of these is not an acronym? Day. Day is answer. Fourth one, homophones are spelled differently, but they sound the same. Which of these does not belong to the set of homophones given below? Run is the answer. Rain, B, rain, C, rain, D, run. So run is the answer. A palindrome is a word that can be spelled the same way, forwards or backwards. Which of these is not a palindrome? A palindrome is a word that can be spelled the same way, forwards or backwards. Which of these is not a palindrome? Dried. Dried is the answer. Now page number 9, C part. The words below begin and end with the same letters. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct letter form the ones given on the right. One has been done for you. The first one is given as comic. The first letter is C and the last letter is also C. The second one is dash U S E U dash M. If you write M at the beginning and at the end, then it will be museum. Museum. The third one is P E E P. Peep. The fourth one is bathtub. You write B at the beginning and end, then it will be bathtub. The fifth one, dash E A T O dash. You write T, then it will be teapot. Teapot. The sixth one, E R A S E, erase. Erase. The seventh one is A N A C O N D A, anaconda. Anaconda. The eighth question, dash A B E dash. Write L, then it will be label. L A B E L, label. With the D part, match the words about books to their definitions. Page number 9. The first one, a book of accounts showing money being lent and received, is ledger. The second question, a list of books in a library, catalog. Catalog. A list of words with meanings, a brief dictionary, glossary. Fourth one, taking someone's ideas or work and passing them off as your own, plagiarism. The fifth one, a short piece of description under a picture or an illustration in a book, magazine or newspaper, is caption. The last one is an account of interesting and memorable experiences of one's life, memories.